What's happening, everybody? I'm Rich Robin. I'm the founder and owner of Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits here in Houston, Texas. We've been in business for some 30 years, custom designing and fabricating quality smokers, grills, burners, accessories, you name it. We pretty much do everything custom. I have got a huge sale going on, which I don't do very often, but I've got a sale going on for the new year. We've got smokers starting as low as $15.99. That is cheap. $15.99 for a quality 1/4 inch thick custom smoker. It's a 20 diameter by 32 long with an offset firebox on heavy duty casters. It is an awesome cooker. It's our value line 2032. It's on our website at gatorpit.net. Go check it out. Again, at gatorpit.net. You can purchase online. We offer financing. The application is online as well for businesses and individuals. It's about a 2-minute application, and you usually get a response back within about 15 to 30 minutes. It's that fast. You can literally order your Gator Pit today and get this unbelievable sale price of $15.99 starting on a value line Gator Pit smoker, 20 diameter, 32 long in the main chamber, offset firebox, 1/4 inch thick, new pipe steel. It's an awesome looking cooker. I'll put a picture here in this video when I'm editing it. But go check it out, gatorpit.net. I've got hundreds and hundreds of dollars off select other Gator Pit smokers and grills, barbecue rubs. I've got sale on barbecue rubs, our Gator Pit rubs for all kinds of foods, not just barbecue, but food in general. You can use our rubs or our seasonings for any dish. Just buy the value pack, get 5 bottles at a discounted price, and I believe it's free shipping as well on that right now. Go get it. You'll love it. I promise you, you'll love our Gator Pit rubs. Also, check out our accessories. We've got a lot of accessories on our accessories page. Guys, we got so much product, it's crazy. We have a lot of stuff on our website, gatorpit.net. I'm just trying to spread the word out there on social media that we have a sale. Gator Pit does not have a sale very often. We've done them occasionally, periodically over the years, but I'm doing a sale for 2025 starting as of now on that low $15.99 for that smoker. Check it out. You're not going to believe that price when you see what you're going to get for it. I don't think anybody out there, or you're going to find anyone else offering that size cooker with the features that it has for $15.99. That's like gas station price for a barbecue pit, but you're not getting gas station or box store quality, that cheap quality, thin metal. You're getting heavy duty 1/4 inch thick steel, and you're getting a Gator Pit. Business 30 years, our reputation is top notch. We're known for quality, guys and gals out there. Check it out, get your order in today. Check out all the other features that we offer as well on custom building. You can contact me if there's something on the website that you like that's not on a particular model. Just call me. We do phone orders. I will come visit me. 11161 West Little York, Houston, Texas. Give me a call, make an appointment, come see me. We'll sit down right here at my desk and we'll go over pits on the computer here of what you like, and we will put it together and build your custom pit just for you, uniquely for you. That again is what Gator Pit's known for, our true custom designs. And I say true custom designs because there's a lot of builders out there, what you see is what you get and there's your price. We actually design a cooker to meet your wants and your needs, and we try to do it within a reasonable budget that you have for that. So give me a call, 713-896-0144. Email info@gatorpit.net. That's info@gatorpit.net. Go to our website, www.gatorpit.net. Again, gatorpit.net. You'll see our most popular models or designs that we've done over 30 years. Those are listed on our website, and most of them all have a sale price right now. I got a cooker on there that's like $1,500 off regular price. It's a commercial cooker, so if you got a restaurant and you want a badass cooker, big cooker to feed a lot of people, go check it out on there. It's like right at $1,500 off right now. Go check it out. It is a monster of a cooker. Go to our YouTube channel, look at our 700 plus videos on our YouTube channel. Find a cooker that you like, because that's where all our customs are going to be listed. Customs that we designed for unique customers. So you'll find all those customs on that. Find something you like. Again, we can build a cooker for you. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.